Uptown Swing.
I'm Stacia, that's Peter. This is 8 count, week something or other. Week
Level
6,
1.
Yep.
You're killing it. This was really good. We were exhorting you to really move each other and focus your cheese, and you really did it. Not cheese, but like your chi.
Chi.
Plural.
Yeah.
You get it. It looked really, really good. We had leaders do this solo practice. Maybe I'll show it real quick. We went back and forth, and then we did that same thing with a 360. Hey, ha, ha, hey, ha, ha, And if I show it this way, just a reminder, one of the big important things that when I'm here, when I finish with my right side behind me, I keep that right side behind me for the next swing out. I do not take my left side back. I'm right there. The movement is going to do it. You don't need to be yanking with your arm there.
Follows, remember, we were working on just holding ourselves together, and that doesn't mean being stiff, but it does mean not letting one body part away for free. We did a little empathy training where Peter was the leader, or I was the leader, and we did some going away shuffling.
Oh, that feels weird.
Or going this way shuffling, and we were looking for an honest response there. So what you did great at the end of class is you really started to hold yourselves together regardless of what the move was. You stepped underneath yourself, so we'll continue to work on that, but great job.
Yes, and we worked on this with everybody. Just that end of the swing out, it's not here, it's here, that feeling. So the triple step is triple step. Leaders, you gotta get that because you're doing the next swing out. Followers, you try for it and you might not get it because the leaders are moving you.
But you do create the feeling when you do it.
So you're trying to go, leaders, you succeed, followers, you try. And then we make those swing outs happen over and over. Just be really clear about it. And we thought, leaders, you don't need to move a ton, but you got to move yourself more clearly, and don't be afraid to move this other person. Followers, you're not trying to move around the floor so much. You're trying to dance underneath you and get moved by someone else. And eventually, I think we really got some nice swing outs and circles by the end.
Good stuff.
More next week.